Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with another beautiful dot mandala in this 24-inch board. I'll keep center dot in gold. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep marine blue dots. I'll keep tiny dots in blue. I'll keep some pink dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in pink. I'll keep dots in aqua green. I'll keep tiny dots in green. I'll keep dots in light violet. I'll keep tiny dots in light violet. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll draw the outline of diamond shape. I'll keep dots in pink. I'll walk the dots in pink. I'll keep dots in marine blue. I'll keep brush strokes in marine blue. I'll keep pink dots. I'll keep brush strokes in pink. I'll keep dots in marine blue. I'll keep brush strokes in marine blue. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep golden dots in drop shape. I'll keep some golden swipes. I'll keep pink dots. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll draw outline of the mirrors now. I'll keep pink dots. I'll walk the dots in pink. I'll keep marine blue dots. I'll keep brush strokes in marine blue. I'll keep pink dots. I'll keep brush strokes in pink. I'll keep dots in marine blue. I'll keep brush strokes in marine blue. I'll keep brush strokes in pink. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep marine blue dots. I'll keep golden dots in drop shape. I'll keep golden swipes. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep dots in aqua green. I'll work the dots in aqua green. I'll keep some dots in light violet. I'll keep brush strokes in light violet. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. I'll keep brush strokes in aqua green. I'll keep brush strokes in light violet. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep golden dots in drop shape. I'll keep dots in aqua green. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep dots in aqua green. I'll work the dots in aqua green. I'll keep dots in light violet. I'll keep brush strokes in light violet. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. I'll keep brush strokes in aqua green. I'll keep some dots in light violet. I'll keep brush strokes in light violet. I'll keep some golden dots. I'll keep golden dots in drop shape. I'll keep golden swipes. I'll keep dots in light violet. I'll keep tiny golden dots. I'm sure this mandala came out really well and vibrant. Thank you for watching.